Hello guys, Starting Machine here, and this is the spy shot of the newest BMW R1300 GS 2023. The new BMW has been spied on during road tests and appears to be a development version of the new BMW R1300 GS. Not only that, we also got some photos of the BMW R1300 GS concept that will be launched. As one of the most loved adventure lines in Europe is the GS BMW line, which has a long history of success. The R1250 GS is likely to be replaced in 2023. Compared to the current R1250, the new R1300 GS motorcycle not only has a new engine, but also a modified chassis. Recent spy images of what looks to be a test model of the R1300 GS reveal a motorcycle that is almost ready for production. The photo was taken while the motorcycle was undergoing testing, with the test apparently related to the motorcycle's off-road ABS system co-developed with Bosch. We also found some recent renderings of what the final BMW R1300 GS will look like. The engine, looking new, is more attractive than ABS. The boxer drive and variable valve configurations remained unchanged, although they now appear to be more water-cooled than air-cooled. The absence of visible cooling fins on the current generation R1250 GS when viewing the cylinders from the front below indicates that the R1300 is water-cooled. The R1300 GS will no doubt use dry sump lubrication, which is advantageous for off-road driving. And it's clear that a slightly larger engine will naturally produce more torque and power. Now it's unclear whether that will be enough to compete with Ducati's 170 horsepower Multistrada V4, which will no doubt be one of the new Oppo GS. For the R1300, the chassis around the engine was changed, but the carbon driveshaft remained. The new swing arm, case mount, and rear subframe are all cast aluminum. There appears to be an arrangement for blind spot detection/alert technology on the rear of the bike, while cornering lights and radar are anticipated for the future R1300. This is to be expected on the R1300 as well as the R1400 GS, which is still in the works, and the M1300 GS, which is seen as BMW's response to the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. Two additional GS models are not expected until 2024. In any case, it appears that there will be a new larger GS in 2023. While there is no official confirmation yet, there are indications that Munich will make considerable technical progress.